Celpip writing, common grammar errors and how to avoid them. Why grammar matters in Celpip writing. In the Celpip writing test, using correct grammar is essential. Even if your ideas are strong, frequent grammar mistakes can lower your score. Good grammar helps make your writing clear, professional, and easy to understand. Common grammar errors to watch out for. Subject-verb agreement. What is subject-verb agreement? Subject-verb agreement means that the verb, action word, in a sentence must match the subject, the person or thing doing the action, in number, whether it is singular or plural. This is one of the most common grammar rules in English and is very important in Celpip writing. Many students make errors like, he go to school every day instead of he goes to school every day. Tip: always match singular subjects with singular verbs and plural subjects with plural verbs. 2. Tense consistency. What is tense consistency? Let's discuss in detail. Tense consistency means using the same verb tense throughout a sentence or paragraph unless there's a clear reason to change it. This helps the reader clearly understand when events are happening, past, present, or future. Switching tenses in the same sentence or paragraph is confusing. Example mistake: I went to the store and buy some milk. Tip: stick to one tense unless there is a clear reason to change. 3. Punctuation mistakes. Punctuation may seem like a small part of writing, but it plays a big role in making your ideas clear and easy to understand. Incorrect or missing punctuation can confuse the reader and make your writing look unpolished, which can lower your Celpip writing score. Missing commas, using run-on sentences, or forgetting periods can weaken your writing. Run-on sentences. A run-on sentence is when two or more complete sentences are joined without the correct punctuation or linking word. Forgetting periods. Sometimes test takers forget to end their sentences with a period, especially when typing fast. This makes the writing look careless. Tip: break long sentences into shorter ones and use commas after linking words like however, therefore, for example. How to avoid these errors. Read your writing out loud during practice. You'll naturally pause where commas or periods should go. Use short, clear sentences if you're unsure where to put punctuation. Practice using linking words with commas to build good habits. Improving your grammar doesn't mean writing complex sentences. Keep your writing simple, clear, and correct. Focus on avoiding basic errors, and your Celpip writing score will improve naturally. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.